Hello friends, in this session we will be talking about shortcut method for calculating the squares. Squares obviously are a very integral part of our CAT preparation, and a lot of questions will require us to calculate the squares of various numbers. So it is really important for us to get a good handle on calculation of squares. Okay. At the outset, there are n number of methods that are available for calculating squares. What we are going to discuss is one of those choicest methods, and which I believe is the fastest of all the methods. First things first, let us say I am looking for calculating the square of a number that ends in a 0. So let us say I have to calculate the square of 30. So 30 square is obviously 3 square is 9, 0 will become 2 zeros, so this is equal to 900. So for a number which is ending in a 0, calculating the square is no big deal. If we know the square of the number that comes before the 0, we square that followed by 2 zeros and we are done. So if the number ends in a 0, it is not a problem at all. Next one, numbers which end in a 5. Let's say I have to calculate the square of 15. For calculating the square of 15, what we do is the last 2 digits will be 25. The last 2 digits will be 25. Before that, whatever number is here, so let's say this is 1 here, you put 1 into 2. So 1 into 2 is equal to 2, so this will be equal to 225. Let's say I have to calculate the square of 25. 25 square, 2 into 3 is 6. 5 will give me 25. 35 square. 35 square, 3 into 4 is 12. 5 square is 25. 45 square. 4 5s are 20. 5 5s are 25. Let's say I have to calculate 75 square. 75 square, 7 into 8 is 56. 5 square is 25. Let's say we have to calculate 115 square. 11 into 12 is 132. So this is equal to 132. 5 square is 25. So this is equal to 13225, and so on and so forth. So for a number which is ending in a 5, this method it can be comfortably used. So with this we are done for numbers which are ending in a 5. Once we know the squares for numbers which are ending in a 5 or a 0, now let's take a look at numbers which are of the form 5k plus 1. In order to find the square of a number which is 5k plus 1, let's say for example I have to calculate the square of 16. For 16 square, what we will do is, we know the square of 15. 15 square is 225. So this is equal to 225 plus 15 into 2 plus 1. So this will be equal to 225 plus 152 plus 1. I'm sorry, 15 square, 15 into 2. So because this is 15 into 2, this will be equal to 225 plus 15 to just 30 plus 1. So this becomes 225 plus 30 is 255. 255 plus 1, 256. So this is equal to 256. Let us say I have to calculate 21 square. 21 square, 20 square is 400. 20 into 2 is 40, followed by 1, total 441. I have to calculate 26 square. 26 square, 25 square is 625. 25 into 2 is 50 and 1. So this becomes 676. Let's say we have to calculate 31 square. 30 square is 900. 30 into 2 is 60 and 1. This becomes 961. 36 square. 35 square, 3 into 4, 12. So this is equal to 1225 plus 35 into 2 is 70 and 1. So this becomes 5 plus 1, 6, 7 plus 2 is 9, 1296. Let's say I have to calculate 41 square. 41 square, 40 square is 1600. 40 into 2 is 80 and 1. So this becomes 1681, and so on so forth. So with this we know the method for calculating the square of a number which is 5k plus 1. The idea is very simple. If the number is 5k plus 1, if I do a square, this will be equal to 5k square plus 2 into 5k plus 1, and that's exactly what I have written here, because we know the square of this number plus 2 into this number plus 1, that gives me the square of the next number. So with this you would be able to calculate the square of numbers which are 5k plus 1. For a number which is in the form 5k minus 1, if I simply write the square of this number, this will be equal to 5k square minus 2ab, so minus 10k plus 1. So this effectively means last time we were adding 2 into the number, this time we will have to subtract 2 into the number. So for example, if I have to calculate 14 square, 14 square will be equal to 15 square 225 minus 15 into 2 30 and followed by a plus 1. So 225 minus 30 195, 195 plus 1 196. So this will be equal to 196. Similarly 19 square, 19 square will be equal to 20 square is 400 minus 20 into 2 is 40, which is equal to 360 plus 1 361. 24 square, this is 25 square is 625 minus 25 into 2 50 575 plus 1, so this is 576. Let's say I have to calculate 44 square. 44 square will be 45 square, which is 4 into 5 20 25 minus 45 into 2 90 plus, so this will be equal to 2025 minus 90 is 1935 plus 1, so this is 1936, and so on and so forth. So with this you would be able to calculate the squares of numbers which are of the form 5k minus 1. If a number is of the form 5k plus 2, this will be equal to 5k square plus 2ab, so 2 into 2 4 into 5k plus 4. So this time what we'll have to do is we look at the square of the number which is 5k plus 4 times of that number plus 4. Let me illustrate with an example. Let us say I have to calculate the square of 12. For calculating the square of 12, what I will do is 10 square is 100 plus 10 into 4 is 40 plus 4 144. Let's take a look at the 17 square. 17 square 15 square is 225 plus 15 into 4 is 60 plus 4, so this is 289. Let's take a look at let's say 32 square. 32 square is 30 square is 900 plus 30 into 4 is 120 plus 4, so this becomes 1024. Let's say I'm looking for 57 square. 57 square will be 55 square. 55 square is 5 into 6 30 25 plus 55 into 4, which is 220 plus 4. So this will be 5 plus 4 9, 2 2 4 3 2 4 9. I am writing all these numbers here only to make the point clear. You can do all this calculation in your head also. You really don't need to write anything for this. So let us say I have to calculate 32 square we already. Let's say we have to calculate 37 square. For 37 square, you will first of all you will ask yourself what is 35 square. 35 square is 3 into 4 12 25 plus 35 into 4. 35 into 4 is 140. So 1225 plus 140. 1225 plus 140 is 1346. 1345. 1345 plus 4, so 1349, that is your square, and so on so forth. With this you would be able to calculate the square of any number which is of the form 5k plus 2. If a number is of the form 5k minus 2, 5k minus 2 whole square, this will be 5k square plus 4 minus 2ab. 2ab will be 2 into 2, 4 into 5k. So with this you would be able to find the squares of any number which is of the form 5k minus 2. Let us say I have to calculate 8 square. 8 square will be 10 square 100 minus 10 into 4 40 plus 4. 100 minus 40 is 60, 60 plus 4 is 64. 13 square, this is 15 square 225 minus 15 into 4 is 60 plus 4. 22 minus 16 is 16. This becomes 165. 165 plus 4, 169. 18 square, 20 square is 400 minus 20 into 4 is 80 plus 4, so that becomes 324. Let's say we have to calculate 43 square. 43 square, 45 square is 2025 minus 45 into 4 is 180 plus 4. So 2025 minus 200 is 1825 plus 20 is 1845 plus 4, 1849, and so on so forth. So with this you will be able to calculate the square of any number which is of the form 5k minus 2 also, and with this you are good to go on calculating the square of any number. So whatever the number may be, it will be either in the form 5k or 5k plus 1 minus 1 or 5k plus 2 minus 2. We are done.